Hi, in this session, we will be looking into one of the most interesting concept in logical reasoning section, which is coding and decoding. Guys, coding and decoding is a topic. This topic you can extremely helpful in competitive examinations like banking. Okay, what are the exams in banking? SBI and IBPS and Railway Recruitment Board, which is RRB, and Staff Selection Commission, which is SSC. Guys, definitely in recent days in banking, definitely they'll give 5 marks. Okay, in RRB they'll give 1 to 2 marks, and in SSC again 1 to 2 marks. Definitely they'll test you on coding and decoding. Okay, and if you look at campus hiring companies like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, Infosys, definitely they'll test you on this particular concept, which is coding and decoding. Definitely they'll give you 1 or 2 questions. Okay, and if you aiming for higher education like CAT, MAT, ISET, so definitely in MAT and CAT, definitely they'll test you on coding and decoding. I can say in ISET, definitely they are going to give you 1 to 5 marks. They'll give a set and you need to crack that particular test, to get your 5 marks of your particular paper. So this topic is extremely very important. Okay, so how to learn this topic? Guys, first you need to understand what is coding. Okay, the coding is the process of putting a sequence of the letters, numbers, punctuations and certain symbols into a specialized format. There should be some format for efficient transmission of a message or storage. Guys, I can tell you these type of questions may ask in Intelligence Bureau, CBI, because definitely they'll not directly transmit the message. What they'll do, they'll code it, and you have to decode it. Then only you will understand what is the actual information. Okay, so this is how the coding will come into the picture. What is decoding? Actually, the reverse process of coding is nothing but what? Decoding. Decoding is the what? Opposite process. The conversion of an encoded format back to the original sequence of characters. So that is going to be called what? Decoding. Okay, then how to approach the coding and decoding concept? There are various points. You need to understand, observe the alphabets or the numbers given in the code keenly. You need to understand, okay, what are the alphabets given, okay, and what is the other point? You need to find the sequence, okay, follows whether it is ascending or descending order. Okay, ascending or descending order, you need to understand whether the alphabets are going to ascending or descending order, whether numbers are going to be ascending or descending order. Okay, this will definitely increase your logical skills a lot. Okay, and you need to detect the rule which alphabet numbers word follows. So how about this, guys? So guys, if you closely look at if I talk about a word called cat. Okay, if the cat is coded as D B U, what's happening here? C, it's following certain pattern. C +1, A +1, T +1. So then he may ask you, what is the code for MAT? What is the code for MAT? M. After M, what is the letter? N. A, B, T, U. So the same pattern is going to follow. So you have to detect the rule, which rule is going to be following and all. So this is how you need to approach. And fill the appropriate letters, numbers, word in a given blank. Sometimes they'll give blanks. You need to fill that particular things. Okay, you need to fill that particular things. And most important point if you want to good at coding and decoding, you should know the position of alphabets. Okay, you should know the position of alphabet from left to right, right to left. Whatever, if you name the alphabet, you should know the position. Everybody know there are 26 alphabets. Okay, everybody know there are 26 alphabets, but a lot of people don't know the position of alphabets. Okay, 99% know the position of alphabets from 1 to 4. How about the remaining ones is very, very important. Okay, my sincere advice is this: first you should know the place positions, then only the job is going to be very easy. Okay, let's see how to remember. I am going to give you few tips how to remember the place positions. That definitely will the things will help you. Okay, everybody know 1 2 3 4. Okay, the problem come with from E to Z, which means Z. Okay, guys, if you look at E, J, O, T, Y. So if you spell this word Ijoti, Ijoti, if you look at E is a fifth letter, J is a 10th letter, O is 15th letter, T is 20th letter, Y is 25th letter. Okay, what's happening? What is the observation here? All are multiples of 5s. Okay, so E place value is what? 5. J place value is what? 10. O place value is what? 15. T place value is what? 20. Y place value is what? 25. Once you know this, your job is going to be cakewalk. Because each and every question you will come across the place values. Okay, my sincere advice to learn the place value. So if you remember this particular word, Ijoti, you can finish your 5 letters, which is E, J, O, T, Y. All are what? Multiples of 5s. And you can remember T as T20 World Cup. T20 World Cup. Everybody will remember this. T20 World Cup. Okay, so T place value is what? 20. J place value is what? 10. O is what? 15. T is what? 20. Y is what? 25. Okay. After that, the letter F. Okay. F. Guys, if you closely observe, okay, and if you close this particular word, okay, it look like 6. F. Okay, if you close like this, it look like 6. So, sixth letter is F. Okay, sixth letter is F. Actually, G, we will write like this. Okay, if you put like this, this will look like 7. So, seventh letter is what? G. Guys, if this is H, if you close up and down, then it's going to what? It is what? 8. So, eighth letter is what? Eighth letter is going to be what? H. Okay, eighth letter is going to be what here? H. Okay, and the I usually we will write like this. I. Okay, if you close like this, it's look like 9. So, ninth letter is going to be what? I. Ninth letter is going to be what? I. After the J, just now we have seen in Ejoti. So, 10th letter is what? J. Okay, after that K. K is which letter? 11th letter. How to remember this? K will be like this. Okay, K means you need what? 2 ones, right? If you pull this up and down, it will become a straight line. You will have 2 ones and you can remember K as, 11th letter. Okay, you can remember K as, what? 11th letter. Okay, this is how you need to remember the letter, the alphabet K. Okay, and next letter is going to be what? L. Okay, next letter is going to be what here? L. L is going to be what? 12th letter. Okay, L is going to be what? 12th letter. Okay, I can tell you one small tip. 143. Lot of people remember 143 means everybody know means what? Love. Okay, 143. So 1 into 4 into 3. Okay, 1 4 is a 4, 4 3 is a what? 12. So 12th letter is what? L. So this is how you need to remember the word, this particular word L. Okay, M. Guys, if you keenly observe the word, the letter M, how to remember this particular letter? Guys, if you closely observe, M is like this. If you make it to 90 degrees, it will look like this. So, that is nothing but 13th letter. So, 13th letter, it look like what? 3. So, 13th letter is what? M. On the same note, W also. Okay, W will be like this. If you rotate, okay, in opposite direction, it is also look like what? 3. So, this also you can remember as what? 23rd letter. So in the shape of 3, there are only 2 alphabets which are M and W. So this is how you need to remember the other 2 alphabets, which is one is M and one is what? W. How to remember N? Guys, if you N is nothing but what? 14th letter. Okay, N is nothing but what? 14th letter. Okay, if you keenly observe, it's look like a reverse 4. It look like a reverse 4. Okay, so N position is what? 14th letter. Okay, N position is what? 14th letter. Otherwise, you can remember Nehru. Okay, Children's Day is November 14th. Okay, Children's Day is what? November 14th. You can remember Nehru, Children's Day, November 14th. Okay, so N, the place value is what? 14. How to remember O? O already came in Ijoti. Okay, yeah, P. P is nothing but, okay, P is nothing but, reverse of 6. Reverse of 6. So that you can write it as what? 16th letter. Because if you reverse P, it look like 6. Okay, then the 16th letter is what? 16th letter is what? It's going to be what? P. Okay, how to remember Q? Guys, if lot of people write Q, like this. Okay, Q you can remember as what? 17. R. R will be like this. If you close this, it will become 18. Okay, it will look like 8. So 18th letter is what? R. R you can remember R as right to vote. Right to vote at the age what? 18 in India. Okay, right to vote. The age is what? 18 in India. Okay, S. How to, guys, if you close it, it look like 9 only. Yes. If you close S, it look like what? 9 only. Okay, so 19th letter is what? S. T already we have seen. So 20th letter is what? T in Ijoti. Okay, how about you? Always assume your age is 21. Okay, your age is 21. Always remember like that. So that the job is going to be very easy. Okay, victory symbol. Okay, victory symbol 2020. Okay, victory symbol is what? 22. Okay, X. Guys, if you look at X, the special alphabet, X actually the position of alphabet is what? 24. You have 2 lines with 4 gaps. 2 lines with 4 gap, it will what? 24 is going to be our place value. Okay, why already we have seen in Ijoti which is 25 and Z is everybody know 26. So this is how you need to remember all the place values. Okay, once you remember all the place values, the job is very, very easy. Okay, hope everybody understood how to remember the place values. So after that, we have seen the position of letters from right to left. Guys, that is nothing but what is right to left actually? Yeah, the position of A actually 1. So now right to left will become what? So the rightmost, the letter is what? Z. So Z will become 1. So Y will become 2. So X will become 3. W will become what? 4. V will become what? 5. So like that, it's going to be complete opposite process. Okay. How actually remember these words? Yeah. You should know the series of opposite letters as well. Guys, A opposite letter is what? Z. Okay. B opposite letter is what? Y. C opposite letter is what? X. Guys, how to remember this? A place value is what? 1. Okay. Z place value is what? 26. If you add it, it will become 27. Okay, let me check here. M place value is what? 13. N place value is what? November 14. 14. Okay, 14 plus 13, the sum is what? 27. Okay, let me check any other. Okay, H place value is what? 8. S place value is what? 19. So 19 plus 8 is what? 27. So what I'm trying to tell you is this. This is very, very important. Okay, guys, the point here is this. Sum of 2 alphabets is 27. Those letters are called what? Opposite letters. Okay, which sum of 2 alphabets? Okay, which sum of 2 letters? Okay, 2 alphabets are 2 letters. Okay, place value is 27. Okay, those letters are called what? Opposite letters. Very simple. Very simple. How to remember? Sometimes you will have a question. Let's say I want to know T opposite. Don't mug up this. Do with logically. Sum should be what? 27. T place value is what? 20. How much? If I add to 20, I'll get 27? 7. So, 7th place value is what? What is the letter? 7th letter is what? G. That's it. Okay. This is how you need to understand the letter and opposite letter. Because letters and opposite letters definitely will help you in solving so many questions. Hope everybody understood this, the concept of opposite letters. Okay, so that's what I have written note here. Okay, some of very important fact about the position of any alphabet is that both this sum of forward position and reverse position of any alphabets is always constant and equal to what? 27. When you come across the sum is 27, those letters are called what? Opposite letters. Okay, hope everybody understood the basics of coding and decoding. In the next upcoming videos, we will solve few of the basic questions and we will try to understand what are the different examples in the concept of coding and decoding. We will see that. Thank you.